Life Drawing by Alexander Rishkin. Part 2. In this video session, we will continue talking about the proportions of a human figure. When a model stands straight, the elbow is located on the same level as the lower edge of the rib cage. The lower edge of the rib cage is where the waist is. You can see that on the left the elbow coincides with this level. But on the right, it is a bit lower because the model stands in contrapposto. This depends on the tilt of the torso. That is why the tilt of the shoulders is equal to the tilt of the line between the elbows. Keeping this alignment in mind, we can mark the locations of the two elbows in drawing. On the medial side, we see the calf muscle that compensates for the lateral curvature of the shin. However, this calf muscle would never protrude far beyond a virtual line between the knee and the medial ankle. You also need to remember that the lateral ankle is always lower than the medial ankle. As soon as we mark the ankle, we need to check its dimension. The width of the ankle is slightly smaller than the distance from the shoulder's edge to the middle of the collarbone, or from the nipple to the breastbone. Now we can check the width of the calf muscle, the knee, and the foot. Let's check these dimensions on the model. You can see that the width of the calf muscle is equal to the width of the foot and also equal to the width of the knee. The same dimension is very close to the width of the neck, which is also equal to the distance from the nipple to the breastbone. Of course, these dimensions will not be precise. Nevertheless, you can use them to have some checkpoints to measure. We also need to mark the width of the head, which can be compared to the distance between the nipples. In a male figure, usually the total width of the head does not surpass the distance between nipples. As you remember, this dimension is close to the length of the hand,